Never short circuit the positive and negative terminal. It is strictly prohibited to put battery in high temperature environment such as heating, close to a fire, or sunlight exposure, etc. Please ensure the battery not to get water. The acidic, salty, or the acid or salty liquid should keep away from rain. Please do not disassemble or modify by yourself. When out of service for a long period, the battery should be stored up in the cool, dry environment and take a 6-hour recharge once every other month. Take 6 hours to recharge once every other month. When the battery is being charged, please use the lithium charger specified by the battery manufacturer. Proper power supply. Every other month. So ibig sabihin,